She's going to feed the chicken. Lulu's
Mama.
chicken. Oh, go. Baby.
Where did I put this?
There's a yellow. Like right there. Sige.
Where did I put?
There. Sige.
There.
Sige, iput.
Where?
Put. It's okay. Put it there.
Right here?
Yeah. Come on. Hurry. All. There ba sa orange? O sa yellow? Right there. Hurry. Wow, okay. Good job.
Bye.
There.
Go, Chrissy. Don't be scared.
Like a coconut.
Yes, iput. Oh, wow. Nag-eat na ang chicken. Oh. Ah.
Ang laki dahil ko patakal na namatay.